High school English game. Using single words for phrases and sentences. Words denoting numbers. Question 35. A number of young pigs, dogs, cats brought forth at one birth. A. Cab. B. Litter. C. Kit. The correct answer is B. Litter. A number of young pigs, dogs, cats brought forth at one birth, is litter. Question 36. A number of horses kept for riding, racing, breeding. A. Bridle. B. Stud. C. Clatter. The correct answer is B. Stud. A number of horses kept for riding, racing, breeding, is stud. Question 37. A number of people following a funeral. A. Undertake. B. Cortege. C. Clan. The correct answer is B. Cortege. A number of people following a funeral is cortege. Question 38. A number of stars grouped together. A. Orbit. B. Constellation. C. Zodiac. Question 39. A large collection of trees. A. Lumber. B. Trunk. C. Forest. Question 40. A set of bells placed together for a tune to be played. A. Pearl. B. Peel. C. Peel.